I have officially given up on Apple and I am moving on to Samsung slash Android in general, to tablets. Now, when it comes to phones, I still like the iPhones a lot more than the Androids, but I'm going to explain to you why I got this, the Samsung A11 Plus. I still use my iPad for like one or two things, and I will explain that later in the video, but for now, let me explain to you why I love the Samsung A11 Plus and why this device made me want to give up Apple. So the first reason isn't entirely Apple's fault, but it's kind of Apple's fault. The base iPad is now $449 and the iPad mini is now $599. Here's the thing whenever it comes to Apple products. You can get them refurbished, but since they're always in high demand, even the refurbished prices have gone up. Apple, man, we gotta love Apple. They're just trying to survive in today's market. I'm trying to survive in today's market. Apple has got to realize that their fan base can't really be buying everything on credit anymore because reality checks are hitting them to the maximum. There was something I never did in high school, or heck, even in middle school, and that was studying. I have found the urge to study on random topics, then something hit me. Why am I using a very old piece of tech and a tech that is soon going to be pretty darn not useful when I could be getting something for brand new for a very affordable price? I do love old tech. No, really. I really do love old tech. I have been bashing on the iPad mini 2 and the iPad M2, but I really do love older tech and I do want people to use older tech. But when it comes to my things that I need in life, I need something with a little bit more oomph. This tablet has a feature where it can actually be treated like a Linux desktop, or more like a Android desktop, but that's a cool thing, isn't it? That's something Apple doesn't have on their older devices, and I think the brand new M5, iPad has the ability to be treated like a miniature laptop, but still, it's very pricey. I got this for around $150 on the Amazon Prime Day sale, and man, do I love it so much. I really do love my Samsung tablet, but now I'm going to explain to you guys why I still have my iPad M2 tablet, and as a bonus, I'll throw in and explain why I still have my iPad mini 2. I do not know what they had to do to come up with this strategy, but the Clear Forum, or whatever this is the best free tool that I've ever seen when it comes to like my mind mapping stuff. Like, look, I've been wanting an app like this for such a long time. For an app like this, you usually have to pay big money for it, but I got it for a very affordable price. Free. I don't know when exactly they decided to make this app and give it free for everybody. I think from the iPad M2 series and beyond, but still, I love this. Heck, even my Apple iPhone 17 has Clearform or Freeform, whatever it's called. Because of this app, I will not be able to get rid of my M2 iPad for a very long time because I'm still going to use this from time to time for this YouTube channel. I've talked about this in videos before, but I really only use this to read books, read the Bible, and to read the news. I basically only use the iPad mini 2 to, well, read on my tablet. I used my iPad M2 to edit a video before, and I want to use this to try that out. I don't know how good it's going to be, but I want to give it a try on this device because I believe it's going to be good. I'm pretty sure this tablet is just slightly more powerful than my iPad M2 Air. And now that all of the Apple fanboys are happy with me saying that, the Samsung A11 Plus is definitely a lot more powerful than my stupid freaking iPad at this point. So here's the recap. Because of today's market, I need something a little bit more affordable and efficient. I'm tired of Apple doing Apple things, including increasing their prices, and because they could never do something like a Samsung DeX, I have decided to go with the more affordable and sound-minded decision to buy a Samsung Android tablet. I hope you enjoyed this video of me explaining why I went with this Android tablet than any other Android tablet. Please do me a favor and like and subscribe if you want to, because that will help me out way more than you think. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down in the comment section below. I may not respond to you, but I do read all the comments that I receive. Thank you.